Yo. Hello? Yeah, that's why I rang you. I'm recording a YouTube video right now. They won't be able to hear you because this mic only picks up my voice. Damn! Died like 10 times in the last maybe 30 minutes. By the way, I'm a girl. Oh, my friend's on here. He's called China for Live.
You've changed my avatar, haven't you?
Yeah, he looked a bit disgusting.
No, you did, because I thought, oh yeah, I gave Ty the password.
Oh, God's sake! I keep on dying. This is my highest killed game. And I just died again. How did he get me? I jumped down! I need to kill this guy!
Chill.
The hell did he go? He's right there. Are you on green? You're on green, right?
Yeah. Just got flung off the map.
Zach just tried to video call me. But he knows I'm calling with you. That's why he tried to video call me. He said, how long will you be? I'm just going to say 10 years. Oh, damn. 6. Boom. This is my highest kill game, 34. I just got a new whip. Push start. Oh, da-do-do-do-do-do. I want to be on your team. In fact, Zach just left the game, so.
Green's gone and red's won.
GG! Let's get some GGs in the chat. And I know I'm getting targeted by loads of people. Let's get some GGs in the chat. You dare do it. And hey, you still here?
Yeah, was he ringing you?
Yeah. I was just checking. I'm gonna rocket ride myself over to yellows. Are you serious? It was too slow. I just got a new whip. Push start.
No, not me.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go for you. Yo, this kid, he's triggered trash. Yo. Dude, you're not gonna do that, dude.
Right, I'm gonna go in for the kill.
Go in for some kills. Get up! Sorry, you panicked me a little bit. I thought you were gonna go. No, I nearly just fell off the edge. Yoit.
We'll get you though in a minute. If you kill me one more time, now you're coming.
You're kind of scaring me a little bit. I'm dueling you in it. Oh no, bacon guy's here. I jumped up over his bullets. Ha, scared him off. No! The stairs are going! We've only got one set of stairs left and they're kind of broken. I heard you got a new whip. Push start. Let's get some GGs in the chat! I heard you got a new. Oh, I just died. I heard you got a new whip. Push start and on my whim go boop 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 boop. Oh, my arm is gone. My arm is literally gone. I might have to reset my character. I heard you got a new whip. Push start. Is that your concentrating face? Oh gosh, 4. I need. I heard you got a new whip. Who the hell just killed me?
It wasn't me.
I know, I think I know who killed me. No, you dodged it, you rascal! I've been eliminated already for some reason.
Wait, but your base hasn't gone?
Exactly. Ow! Ow! That's... Oh, crap. Go for green. No, I mean blue, red. Nope, I mean yellow. Everyone's firing at me. What have I ever done wrong? That's why you build so no one can. Oh my god, my legs are gone.
Ow!
You didn't kill me. I'm still alive.
I got you too. Why are you building over there?
So I'm protected. I don't want to die. No, you dare.
Your base below you, it's just all fell. Won't get you.
You know what? I'm being a man, me. Oh my goodness! I've got 10 kills. I've got no legs, but I've still got 10 kills. You're lucky. I just fell off the edge. How am I a spectator?
Cause your base went.
I don't know, it didn't go, but it's still there. Wait, I'm going to leave and rejoin so I can be on another team. I heard you got a new whip. I'm going to end this video soon. I'm going to end it in another 3 minutes.
If you're gonna be joining, you're on blue.
I heard you got a new whip. Yes, this base is more built up! Baby!
Why did you even ask for my account password?
Cause I'm gonna get you Robux. I'm gonna get you 2,000. I will. I swear, I will. Oh gosh. No, my 10 kills is gone. Now I'm trash at the game. Everyone's gonna bully me now. 'Cause I'm trash. I'm triggered. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! The bacon guy doesn't know how to kill people. He keeps on walking up. What? I heard you got a new whip. Oh, Zach's on your team. Zach, do you not know Zach? Who Zach is? It's called China 4 Live.
He's been on here for ages.
I managed to save myself. Yes! This is how we do it! Alright. Oh, I'm on green team.
Oh, I'm red.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Okay.